Hello everybody, this is your Backend Buddy Pratik Mota. So today we will learn about the history of Golang. So how Go programming language created, and everyone know that it was created in the Google, but what was the pain point and why new programming language introduced. So I will explain you full journey of the Golang programming language. So let's learn together. So here is a Go programming language history. So initially in the Google, mainly Google was using C++ for their backend programming and all the microservice things, because C++ is a more efficient language and also good performance. But there was a problem, like C++ is a little bit more complex for new person and difficult to get a mastery, and it's a lot of syntax are there, so it take a time to learn also. So few of engineers from the Google, they were looking for some other options, but they didn't find similar options to replace that backend things. So then they come up with some new programming language which can be easy to learn, high performance and good readability and usability. Okay, then it was a combination of C++ and assembly, and then they created new language which is called a Go programming language. Okay, and after like publicly announced in the 2009 November around it, they announced that about this programming language, and Go 1.0 announced in the March 2012. So these three people are the creator of the Golang who initially started this project. So Robert Grishamer, Rob Pike, Ken Thompson. So these three people started Golang programming language. So after then it's a release, step by step increase. So from Go 1 to 1.19 current release is there. In the next year, like 2023 to 24, their plan is 1.20 release. So use case of Golang, so mainly it's used for the backend programming language, and distributed network services, some utility creation, because Golang is a cross-platform programming language, so it create the utility in the Windows, Macintosh, Linux scripting you can create. And Kubernetes and Docker also big part, because those are created in the Golang programming language. So till now, like now 1 to 2 million Go developer community exists, and still it's continuously growing. So definitely in the future there will be a growth of the Golang. So backend developers, are you ready to learn Golang? Then let's go. And if you like my videos or want to learn more about Golang and backend programming, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press on the bell icons, so you will get more updates and notifications related Golang programmings and all the backend development stuff. Thank you.